Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and today I am doing artist trading cards for Art Joy of Sharing. This is a challenge for the whole month of June, and Chelsea and I have been doing this for a number of years on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We just use the hashtag ATCAD and the year 2020, and you will find all of the pictures, videos, that sort of thing under that hashtag. So I'm just showing how to emboss using this metal duct tape. And you can run it through a machine, you can use a tool, you can do a lot of different things, but I'm just showing for demonstration purposes how that works. And then once you have a metal surface or a non-porous surface, alcohol ink is a great ink to use for colorization on that surface. So I'm adding some extender, some color, taking a little felt tool and moving that around on the surface. And I'm going to colorize several pieces here because I have at least 2 days to create today. So let's get going and get some work done and have a couple more days of fun with artist trading cards. So this is I think, could be a Sizzix folder with the gears and things on it. I'm going to cut this down into ATC size. Now, you will get a little bit of alcohol ink on your uh, cutter if you're doing it like I am, but just take some hand sanitizer and clean that off. It'll come off readily. Um, so now I'm going to figure out what I want to do to compile my ATC, and I have this piece of plastic. It's like, I don't know, it could be just some stuff from the hardware. It could be something I got in the craft store. I don't know because I have both. Um, and I'm going to use some glossy accents to put that down over this piece of card. It says etc. on it. This was a stenciled with alcohol ink, and the stencil I think is a Seth Apter stencil from Stencil Girl. I'm just going to clean that up and let it set. You can see I still have the covering on the front to protect it from getting scratched. And now I'm going to look at the background piece. I have this arched entryway that I've colored, and now I'm using the rest of that piece of alcohol ink that I cut down. I'm going to grab some drywall tape and color it with some Journey Color Fusion Stampers Anonymous, no, Fun Stampers Journey ink. It's a nice black, and it is dual purpose, so it's pigmented real well, and that's what I want. And I'm going to adhere this piece to a piece of black text weight paper, tear it out, and then I'll glue it down onto the background. So this is an easy way to get a piece kind of framed up and get it to be center stage on your background. I'm looking at other pieces, trying to figure out what I want to do, and with everything that's been going on, I've been thinking about family trees and our roots and that sort of thing. So this tree just was speaking to me today, and I wanted to glue that down on there, get back to my roots, which is all of this assemblage stuff. I really enjoy working with alcohol inks and doing assemblage and that sort of thing. So I have a stamp set from Seth Apter. I have a number of things from Seth, as you can see, because I used his stencil. Now I'm using his stamps. And I'm going to stamp out the word unite. And you can't see it real well there, but I will come back with a Posca pen in white and emphasize the letters. I'll also use the Posca pen to go around the edge of the card, just adding another layer. You can do all kinds of doodling on these backgrounds, as much or as little as you like. And the tree wasn't standing out a whole lot either, so I ended up using a little bit of the white ink on top of the tree, combining the black and white. Yeah, bringing it all together. So, uh, moving on to the next card. Now I have this Metal Gears background that I've colorized with the alcohol ink. I have this um, film strip from Ideology. I don't think you can get this anymore, but sometimes you can find old film strip. I actually had some in some photographs that had come back from development. So there's all kinds of things that you can use here, but I have this metal embellishment that I've colorized with alcohol ink, and I'm going to get some little brads because I don't want empty holes. I'm looking around for things that I can put into that. So now I'm just making sure that those brad endings are pushed down and cut off so they're not sticking out. And then I will glue that down. I think I'm using some E6000 because this is quite heavy. And that you want to use a good strong 3D type adhesive when you're putting something heavy like this metal embellishment onto your card or your project, whatever it is, a canvas, doesn't matter. So I'm looking at this and I'm saying, well, I need a little something to lift it up off of there, so I'm going to go in hunt of something. And I do find another little brad that, needs the prongs bent down. And yeah, I'm going to glue that down. I'm going to glue down my final little world map embellishment piece on there and give you some final shots. Tell you to please like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notification. Everything that you do to help me expand my channel is greatly appreciated by me. There are links down below to other people that I work with frequently, like Shell. And have a great day. And we'll see you again in a couple of days for some more ATCs, Artist Trading Cards 2020. Bye for now.